Centralizing the king. Don't leave the king in the background too long. The king needs to come out and help to fight and shepherd the pawns of the board.
We are stronger than ever before and we are the best in the West.
I won 5 of 6 games by playing my best chess, keeping the nerves down, keeping myself calm along with the pieces on the board.
Pawns are used right, can be used to go for another queen or a rook, and then you can checkmate your opponent easily.
The Green Island High School in Western Hanover in Jamaica has had a long-standing history of excellence in the performing arts. Over the years, Green Island, despite grappling with an arduous 2-shift system, has also produced many students who have excelled academically as well as in sports such as netball, football, and track and field. Notably in 2011, when the school's sprinter Odile Todd won the World Youth Championship 100-meter title in France. Today, Green Island is conquering new grounds in the sport of chess, with its all-male A team emerging the best in the West and 5th in the island of Jamaica at the Jamaica Chess Federation's 2023 National High School Chess Finals. The chess team, which is coached by Teacher Aubrey Beckford, have made their school, their communities, and their parish proud. After their outstanding performance, the Western Jamaica champions were serenaded by their very proud principal Maxine Evans and were also inducted into the principal's honor roll and presented with medals of honor in front of their cheering schoolmates.
I get ideas when I get into these spaces, so Mr. Beckford, the coach, will be getting a principal's honor roll badge too. God bless you at this time.
In this episode, the team, their coach, and the principal tell their story of how their triumph unfolded.
Good afternoon, my name is Rajan Dakar. I am the president of the Green Island Brainiacs Academy Chess Club. I've been playing chess for basically about 6 years. I really love chess a lot. Chess has helped me to have more initiative, think really faster, and helps me to think on my feet. I'm also part of the cadet corps, the Green Island Cadet Unit, and I'm also a corporal and the quartermaster of the unit. I play chess on my cousin's computer, and one day in grade 7, I came to the art room and I saw Mr. Beckford playing chess. So I asked him if I could join, and from there he started to train me, and I learned how to play chess.
Okay, so you're president of the chess club. Tell us a bit about that. The students had the confidence in you, so they voted for you. How you got the position?
Yes, they all voted for me.
Everybody?
Yes, they had the confidence to make me the president, and I'm really happy, and I really appreciate it. I guess they saw that I had the leadership qualities, and I could help them. I could help them further the chess club.
Your school, your team, led by you, placed 5th, and you beat, I understand, was it KC and some other?
Yes, Miss KC.
Right. So tell us about that experience.
That was a very good experience. The National High School Chess Championship. When we went to Kingston, we all knew about all the top schools like KC, St. Diego, Wolmer's, Campion, and we were saying that they were the top teams, right? And we played against Campion. We drew against Campion, their first team, which was Campion C, and we also played against Campion A, and we drew against them as well. We all thought that beat them or even draw against them, and we came up with a draw, and we were very surprised and happy with the end result. We also played against KC, which was also one of the top schools, and we won. We won 2.5 points, and we were very happy with that end result as well. We did very well. The A team did very well against all the teams that came in front of us.
We believe in holistic development, and so our students have gravitated to chess since 2013, when Mr. Beckford, Aubrey Beckford, had a discussion with me concerning how best we could garner some sort of interest in the development of chess in Hanover. He would have done his assessment of chess generally and noted that it was probably in the areas Kingston and other areas close by. But then his knowledge of chess coming out of his life overseas too, he would have worked overseas, then, and his love for Hanover as well, would have caused him to then start the Brain Axe Academy here, Chess Academy here. And so during the summer, he would have encouraged the younger boys and the later girls to be a part of a program that would have caused them, one, to strengthen their thinking skills, their cognitive skills, and that would have allowed them to also find fun in doing what they do. Having come out of that, he also had the grand idea that he should have had a regional playoff. And so we have hosted in excess of 21 institutions some years ago, and recently 20 or so schools in and around the region. We have found that our students have done very well, and interestingly, they seem to have a little chip on their shoulder as it relates to their ability to do well. I find that they are the ones who will do well at the math. They are disciplined, and these children seem to just want to be at chess almost every part of the day, every hour of the day. They balance their books well though, and so it has been a joy to have our students engage in this kind of activity.
Why did you think it was important to throw your full support behind the chess team and the chess club?
Well, anything that will allow us to see what I call the smarts in our children will propel me to have them involved. But chief among them is the fact that students need an outlet. Students need sometimes to be disciplined, and we can't always discipline them by just talking. It is good to introduce to them varying outlets, and the rules of a game or the rules of any sort of program then forms the basis for that ability to be disciplined as a young person. So we would have started, first of all, by looking at those students who probably were not so focused. We also had students who were just interested in learning the game. So, and especially my boys, because if you do a survey, some of my teachers know that I have this love for my boys. I always say the boys are usually left behind.
I'm Alin Carr. I represent Green Island High School. I'm a prefect here, and I am a part of the Brain Axe Chess Academy. In the National High School Chess Championships 2022-2023, I won Best Board 4 by performing. I won 5 of 6 games by playing my best chess, keeping the nerves down, and just demolishing my opponents and keeping myself calm along with the pieces on the board.
So how do you feel about getting that award?
It was unexpected. I feel very excited about it, and I want more trophies and medals if possible. So I will work on that.
What led you into chess?
Well, my life decisions and COVID, it sparked something for me. I was called into the chess club from 7th grade, but I didn't get to that because I was still working on school. So in 8th grade, before COVID, I was captured and I joined the chess club, and from there everything skyrocketed. I performed very well in my first few years, and I'm still continuing to do so. I have been representing the Brainiacs Chess Academy for approximately 2 years. I have entered in tournaments online, Robert Wheeler, Frederick Cameron, and some others that I cannot recall right now. But I have always been representing my team, Brainiacs Chess Academy, and I have to thank the coach for bringing me up in this club as a good sport and for making my life choices different and allowing me to excel in this field. I'm in 11th grade, 11-1 to be exact. I'm going to do 8 sixes this year, and I hope to pass major all of them in one except math. Not too confident about that.
What do you want to do after school? What do you want to pursue?
I plan to pursue architecture, or if I cannot get through that, I like accounting.
Thank you so much, sir.
Alright, thanks. I appreciate it.
Alright.
My name is Tahir McIntosh. I'm from Orange Bay, Hanover. I've been playing chess from grade 7 until now. In COVID, I played a lot of games online, entered a lot of tournaments as well. I won around 5 medals. This is going to be my 6th medal here. I'm a part of the Brainiacs Chess Academy, and I play for Green Island High. And we came 5th in the National High School Chess. The way I came across chess is from the Character Enhancement Club, where Sir Beckford, the coach of the Brainiacs Chess Academy, came down there and introduced chess to us, and I talked to him about the chess club over at Green Island High, and I came here, and here I am now playing for the school and the Brainiacs Chess Academy. The nicest thing about playing chess is that it helps me with my schoolwork and like good decision making, the good and the bad things. It also helped me to come first in my class with a 70% average. It helps me remember things as well, like long things from far back. I can remember them now, like at the back of my hand.
My name is Ian Harden. I'm in 11-2 at Green Island High, and I'm a part of the Brainiacs Chess Academy.
What do you like most about chess?
It helps me to have a better time management in my daily life and to do things more precisely and how to manage everything.
Good morning, my name is Nicholas Henry. I represent the Brainiacs Chess Academy of Green Island High School, and also a member of the A team. I come from Orange Bay, Hanover. And, things I like about chess is that it helped me to improve my time management skills and also to make better decisions.
How did you get involved in chess?
Well, I got involved in chess from a club that was started by Mr. Dawes, the Character Enhancement, run by RG Housing Street. And one day he told us that a chess coach was coming, but I didn't really know much about chess until Mr. Beckford came and introduced himself and tell us about chess. And we had a match, and I really started to like it because it was competitive and I was happy with it.
My name is Jamaica Chess Federation. I'm from 7 Hanover, Westmoreland. The best thing about playing chess is that it helps me to manage my time and decision making.
Hello, my name is Alia Chambers. I'm from Hanover. I'm currently in grade 11, and the best thing about chess is competing with each other and winning, of course.
Hello, my name is Taiwan Murray. I am from Green Island Chess Academy, the Brainiacs Club. I am in 11th and what I love about chess is that it helped me to compete more, give me more knowledge on tactics and all of that. Thank you.
My name is Aserdine Grant. I am from Lucy, Hanover. I started playing chess in grade 7. I got recruited by Mr. Bedford. I was writing a comprehension speech, and he liked it, and he asked if I would like to play chess, and I started playing from there. I like to play chess because I like the aspect about fighting and obliterating my opponents, because it's kind of fun. I like culinary arts. I'd like to be in the field of foods. Most likely a pastry.
You do food and nutrition at school?
Yes, miss.
So you can bake something for me?
Yes, miss.
Alright, thank you so much.
No problem.
My name is Ricardo Price. I'm in 7-1. I'm from Orange Bay, Hanover. The reason why I joined chess club because I like to play against music.
How did you learn about the chess club?
Sir came into my class and told us.
Who?
Sir.
Oh, sir came into your class and told you? Okay. Alright. So what's your favorite subject?
Maths.
Okay.
My name is Romain Stevens. I am in 7-1. The thing I like most about chess is being able to win.
What made you join the chess club?
I like being able to win and getting smarter.
So you learned that there was a chess club here and you just attended the meeting?
Yes, miss.
Okay, alright, thank you.
My name is Edwin Stewart. I'm from 7-1. My reason why I love chess is because it's very tactical. Because I like tactical stuff.
Hello, my name is Aubrey Beckford. I am a teacher at Green Island High School. I teach language arts and I also teach business. I'm also the chess coach of Green Island High, and I have been coaching chess for the last 13 plus years. Now I am at a point where our present A team entered this year's finals and have placed 5th overall by beating some top name schools, drawing with some top name schools, for example Campion, beating Kingston College, beating the Carteret, and driving fear in some of those top chess players and schools' hearts. And you know, this is a school from Green Island in the country. Some persons would say, you know, once they hear Green Island, they say, boy, this school can't be good because they never hear about them before. But when we sit around that board and my boys play that game and show their talent and, you know, show themselves as great players, then they start to take Green Island seriously. The plans going forward is to get Green Island winning the National High School Chess Tournament in its entirety, and also to push chess throughout the region, throughout Hanover, throughout the entire Western region, and to let kids understand that chess is a vital component and a vital tool of behaving yourselves better in school, getting better grades, because research has proven that chess, once you learn chess, you are steps ahead of your peers in terms of academics.
In terms of preparation for the competition, how rigorous was it for you and your team?
It was very challenging, because of the shift situation on the school. Some persons wouldn't be able to have the time, especially me because I have cadets and chess, and I also had evening classes, so the training would be sometimes in the afternoon when school over, which is 5 o'clock, and my classes would be 5:30. So sometimes I would just spend 30 minutes at training and then I head over to my class. And then sometimes I would go home and play online chess. So It was a bit challenging, but we all came together and we did our best during trainings, and we realized the end result of our training.